Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On July 16th, in the parish Mary Help of Christians in Boleta, Monsignor Jose Angel de Vicente, SDB, Bishop Emeritus of the Apostolic Vicariate of Puerto Ayacucho, presided over the diaconal ordination ceremony of Salesians Freddy Suarez and Joan Jaimes. The Eucharist was concelebrated by the Superior of the Salesian province of Venezuela, Father Rafael Montenegro, and several priests from different Salesian communities in the presence of numerous members of Salesian family groups. At the end of the celebration, Father Montenegro presented the group of 7 deacons who will receive priestly ordination in August. The Vice Province of Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands celebrated their Province Day, commemorating the jubilarians of the Vice Province with a solemn Eucharistic celebration in the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians on the 9th July 2022. On that occasion, the perpetual profession of Joel Atisto was also held. Father Gregorio Bicomong, Provincial Superior, was the main celebrant at the celebration. Joining him were Salesians, Salesian Sisters, Caritas Sisters, MSMHC, Salesian Cooperators, students and past pupils. The jubilarians facilitated were Father Eduardo Rivera, 60 years of ordination, Father Dominic Cachira, 40 years of ordination, Father Roger Miranda and Father Ariel Matakange, 30 years of ordination, and Father Albert Swear, 25 years of perpetual profession. Nearly 300 Salesian cooperators of the Korean province held their traditional annual conference between 3rd to 17 July in 5 zones. It was indeed the first time after the pandemic online break that such a face-to-face meeting was held during the last 3 weekends. The meetings were held on 3rd July in Seoul, Gyeonggi Province Zone, then on 10th July in Daejeon Central Zone, and on 17th July in the Southwest Zone, Gwangju, in the Southeast Region, Busan, Changwon, and in the Jeju Islands Zone. The entire conference was carefully and diligently prepared and accompanied by the members of the 12th Provincial Council and the coordinator, Mr. Andrea Park Mansik, working hand in hand with their provincial delegates, Father Bosco Park, SDB, and Sister Gertruda Kim, FMA. The theme of this annual conference was inspired by the words of St. Francis de Sales, "Do everything through love, nothing through constraint." The project launched by the Don Bosco Past Pupils of East Timor is close to its completion. It was in July 2020 the Past Pupils received the request of the community of Ui Mori VKK municipality to build a new chapel through Father Eligio Lucatelli. It's rather rare that the Don Bosco Past Pupils ventured to build a chapel, but with the approaching centenary of Don Bosco's presence in East Timor 2027, the Federation of Past Pupils enthusiastically took up this project to build a memorial chapel in a very meaningful place at the heartland of East Timor. On Friday morning, July 15, the Salesian community of Meruri gathered to celebrate the memory of good servants of God, Father Rodolfo Lankinbaint and Simao Bororo. The Salesians and the Bororo people made a short procession to the community cemetery, where they then celebrated Mass in memory of the 2 martyrs. 46 years ago, around 10:30 a.m., on July 15, 1976, the glorious sacrifice of the Salesian missionary and his native friend took place. This year, on the 46th anniversary of the martyrdom, Father Clemens Deja celebrated the Mass, which was also attended by 3 diocesan priests and Father Douglas Cristiano, representing the Salesian community of St. Marcos. During the celebration, Father Deja recalled the importance of this martyrdom for all the Bororo people and the missionary sentiment in bringing the good news to all. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.